Alright, y'all. It's your boy Kevin Love. This video is gonna be a little touchy. This is one of my very first vacuums to my collection. I've had this one since 2012. Pretty much like my very first Hoover. This is my gray Hoover legacy. This was probably like one of the first 3 vacuums to my collection. It's very special. The person that sold me this vacuum, he actually passed away some years back. I got this one from a pawn shop for $35 in 2012. And the guy that used to work there, him and I had a pretty cool friendship, man. He was a really sweet person. He was very thoughtful. He was kind of an older gentleman, but he was kind to any and everybody, man. So I want to dedicate this one to him. He sold me this vacuum in 2012, and I still have it. Anyway, this is my black and gray Hoover Legacy. One of my first vacuums to the collection, man. I can never let this one go. Out of all my Hoovers, I can never let this one go. Excuse me. I can never let this one go. So, anyway, I'm not gonna get like too sensitive. I remember the day when I came into his pawn shop, and he was like, "Hey, buddy, how you doing?" And he was like, "What you looking for?" And this is like my early stages of collecting vacuums. And I was like, "Do you have any good vacuums around here?" And he was like, "Sure, I do." And he got up and was like, "Follow me." And he took me right to this old Hoover. He took me right to it. And he was like, "This one is a keeper right here." And I was like, "Oh, yeah. One of those old elites." He was like, "Yeah." And he had a few other vacuums back there. But like, as far as like the 90s vacuums, he had like this one. And he had some hardback Eureka or something. I forget. It was a long time ago. But 2012 is when I bought this machine. Sadly, he passed away, I want to say, in 2022. A couple years ago, he passed away. So, I would like to dedicate this video to him. And I appreciate you selling me this vacuum, my guy.